Hi there! Welcome to Autoimmunity 1D. Our goal is to break down the different aspects of type 1 diabetes so it is easier to understand. In this video, we talk about what is type 1 diabetes. If you have not already, we recommend first watching the video titled Insulin and Glucose. What do they do and how? You can find the link to that video below. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes and is not meant to replace your doctor or care team.
Lisa. Hi. I am so glad that you could come to celebrate my diaversary with me and my parents.
Hi, Mia. Thank you for inviting me. I would not have missed it. You have come such a long way and learned so much. What do you remember most about when you were diagnosed?
I remember being in the hospital and the doctor telling my parents that I have type 1 diabetes. I remember them saying that my body stopped making insulin. But I still don't know why it stopped making insulin.
I can help you understand that. For that, we need to first find out what is diabetes. Do you remember when we talked about our body needing sugar for energy? That sugar usually comes from carbs, like the cookie in this example. Our body breaks carbs down to sugar, which enters our blood. Sugar then travels through our bloodstream to different parts of our body. Once the sugar reaches the cells, it needs insulin to unlock the door so it can get in. The yellow keys in this picture represent insulin. If there is not enough insulin, or if insulin is not able to work properly, then the sugar cannot get into the cells and it builds up in our blood. This buildup of sugar in the blood is called diabetes. There are two common kinds of diabetes: type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. You and I have type 1 diabetes, where our body stops making insulin. This is because of something called an autoimmune reaction. To understand what that means, we first need to learn a little about our immune system. Our body has an immune system, which protects us from infections and germs by fighting them. One way it does that is by making antibodies. Think of them as soldiers, always watching out for germs. If these antibodies see any germs, they fight them. They protect us and make sure we stay healthy. Sometimes, some of these antibodies get confused. They think that a part of our body is the problem and start attacking that part. These are called autoantibodies. Do you remember that we talked about insulin being made by the beta cells in the pancreas? The keys here represent insulin. In type 1 diabetes, our body makes autoantibodies that attack these beta cells. Because of that, the pancreas stops making insulin.
So, my body has autoantibodies that are attacking the insulin factory? Why did my body make them?
Mia, that is a difficult question to answer. There seem to be different pieces to that puzzle. Some of the pieces we are born with, some are due to infections, but there are still many puzzle pieces that we don't know of. For example, we don't know why some people get type 1 diabetes when they are very young and others not until they are adults. So, it is hard to say who will get diabetes and when.
Now I get it. My body stopped making insulin because of my immune system and these autoantibodies. Thank you, Lisa, for explaining what is type 1 diabetes.
We hope this helps you understand what type 1 diabetes is. Again, please remember that this is for informational purposes only. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website through the link below for more videos.